Most people don't realize their skincare routine is missing one important thing, and that's why their skin still looks dull or uneven. Today, I'll show you a simple morning skincare routine you can do in just a few minutes for glowing, clear skin. And the best part, it works for all skin types. In this video, you'll learn my complete morning routine step by step. You don't need expensive products or a complicated routine. With a few easy swaps, you'll notice brighter, healthier skin. Start your morning by gently washing your face. Overnight, sweat, oil, and dirt build up on your skin, which can clog pores if not removed. Use a mild, sulfate-free cleanser that doesn't strip away natural oils. Massage in circular motions for about 30 seconds, then rinse with cool water. This refreshes your skin and prepares it to absorb the next steps. Next, apply a toner. Toners help restore your skin's pH balance after cleansing and tighten your pores, making your skin smoother. Look for soothing options like rose water, cucumber water, or green tea toner. Apply with a cotton pad or pat gently with your hands. This step hydrates and preps your skin for moisturizer, so don't skip it. Always moisturize after cleansing. A good moisturizer seals in hydration, keeping your skin plump and soft throughout the day. For mornings, choose a lightweight cream or gel with ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or aloe vera. These hydrate without making your skin greasy. Apply evenly on your face and neck to lock in the toner's benefits. The most important morning step, sunscreen. Even if you stay indoors, UV rays from windows and screens can cause dullness, dark spots, and early wrinkles. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Apply 2 fingers' worth and cover your entire face and neck. This single step can prevent 90% of premature aging signs, so never skip it. And that's it. A quick, natural, and effective morning skincare routine for glowing skin. Try it daily, and you'll notice brighter, healthier results in just a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.